Want to boot or install Windows from a USB in 2025? In this full Rufus guide, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB, choose the right settings for UEFI or Legacy BIOS, and boot your PC step by step. Rufus is a lightweight utility for formatting and creating bootable USB drives, popular because it's fast, portable, and gives you advanced control over partition scheme and write mode. Before we start, you'll need the Windows ISO, official from Microsoft, a USB flash drive, 8 GB minimum, 16 GB recommended, and a backup of any files on the USB. Creating a bootable drive will erase it. Download the official Windows ISO from Microsoft's website. Pick the right architecture, x64 or ARM64, an edition to match your license or device. Next, download Rufus from the official site. Use the latest stable version or the portable build so you don't need to install anything. For extra safety, verify the ISO's checksums, S256, against Microsoft's published values so you don't have a corrupted or tampered image. Insert your USB, run Rufus, no install needed, and pick the device from the top drop-down. Be careful, Rufus will erase everything on that drive. In Rufus, set boot selection to disk or ISO image. Click select and choose the Windows ISO you downloaded. Choose partition scheme, GPT for modern UEFI systems, most new PCs, or MBR if you need Legacy BIOS/CSM compatibility. Rufus shows the recommended target system next to that choice. Pick a file system. NTFS is okay for Windows ISOs and supports large files, while FAT32 is more universally bootable for pure UEFI but has a 4 GB file size limit. Rufus handles common compatibility issues automatically. Rufus offers two write modes. ISO image mode leaves the USB readable in Windows so you can access files. DD image mode does a raw byte-for-byte write and can be more robust for certain ISOs. ISO mode is usually fine for Windows installs. For Windows 11, Rufus includes options to tweak or bypass hardware checks, TPM 2.0, secure boot, and some RAM/CPU checks when creating the USB. These options exist for people with unsupported hardware, but use them with caution. Bypassing requirements can affect security and stability. Click Start. Confirm that you understand the drive will be erased, and let Rufus write the ISO. Progress bars and logs show what Rufus is doing, formatting, copying, finishing. When Rufus finishes, safely eject the USB. On the PC you'll install to, enter its BIOS/UEFI or boot menu, commonly Del/F2 for setup, F12/F11/escape for boot menu, varies by vendor, and select the USB as the boot device. If your PC uses secure boot and you used a modified ISO or bypass option, you may need to temporarily disable secure boot to install, but re-enable it afterward for maximum security. From the Windows installer you'll choose language, partition the target drive, delete/format old partitions if doing a clean install, then follow on-screen prompts to install Windows. After Windows boots, install drivers from your PC maker, sign in with your Microsoft account or enter your product key, and run Windows updates so the system is fully patched. If boot fails, try another USB port, use USB 2.0 if older BIOS has problems, recreate the USB with DD mode, or test the ISO on a different machine. If Rufus shows errors, check the logs and try a different flash drive. Alternatives exist. Microsoft's media creation tool is official for Windows, and Ventoy lets you boot many ISOs from one USB. Rufus is ideal for single image installs and advanced tweaking. To recap, download the official ISO, get Rufus from the official site, pick GPT for UEFI or MBR for Legacy BIOS, choose ISO mode unless DD is needed, and watch Rufus finish the job. Then boot from USB and install. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clean, up-to-date Windows tips.